In this video, we are going to cover the topic Android programming languages, Android programming tutorials, version 3.1 of this book. And this book is basically written by Mark L. Murphy. Let's move toward the table of content of this book. This book basically consists of a very lengthy table of content. Let you check, starting from page number 4 and move on from page number 17 to 18. This is a table of content and here at page number 17. Let's start reading the book. Welcome to Where Scription. Where Scription. We hope you enjoy the ebook and its updates. Subscribe to the Subscription newsletter on the Subscription site to learn when a new edition of this or other books are available. Okay, all edition of Commonsware titles, print and ebooks follows a software style numbering system. Major release 1.0 or 2.2 etc. are available in both print and ebooks. Basically, this section telling us the ebook is available on the online subscription site. Let's move further to the main topic, starting from preface. Welcome to the book. If you come to the book to this book after having read this campaign volume, the Busy Coder's Guide to Android Development and the Busy Coder's Guide to Advanced Android Development, thanks for stitching with this series. Commonwear aims to have the most comprehensive set of Android development resources, and we appreciate your interest. If you come to this book have learned about Android from other sources, thanks for joining the Commonwear community. Prerequisites. This book is a collection of tutorials walking you through developing Android applications from the simplest hello world to application using many advanced Android APIs. Since this book only supplies tutorials, you will want something beyond it is reference guide. That could be simply the Android SDK document available with your SDK installation or online. It could be the other book in the Commonwear Android series, or it could be another Android book. A list of currently available Android books can be found on the Android programming knoll. What do you what you do not want to do is attempt to learn all Android solely from these tutorials, as they will demonstrate the breadth of the Android APIs but not in depth. Also, the tutorials themselves having varying depth. Early on, there is more hand holding or to explain every bit of what needs to be done. As the tutorials progress, some of the similar Java bookkeeping steps are left out of the instructions, such as exhaustive list of import statements, so the tutorials can focus on the Android aspect of the code. Okay, you can find out when new release of this book are available. uh, let's move further using the tutorial heading number. Using the tutorial, each tutorial has a main set of step-by-step instructions plus an extra credit section. The step-by-step instructions are intended to guide you through creating or extending Android application, including all code you need to enter and all command you need to run. The extra credit section, on the other hand, provides some suggested areas for experimentation beyond the base tutorial without step-by-step instruction. If you wish to start somewhere in the middle of the book, or if you only wish to do the extra credit work, or if you just want to examine the result without doing the tutorial directly yourself, you can download the result of each tutorial step-by-step instruction from the book GitHub repository. Note that while you are welcome to copy and paste code out of the book, now you may wish to copy from the full source code instead. A side effect of the way the source code listing are put in this book make them difficult to copy from some PDF viewers. For example, the tutorials do not assume you are using Eclipse let alone any other specific editor or debugger. The instruction included in the tutorial will speak in general terms when it comes to tools outside of those supplied by Android SDK itself. Okay. Where description. This book will be published both in print and in digital form. The digital version of all common wear titles are available via an annual subscription. The subscription entitles you for the duration of your subscription to digital forms of all common wear titles. Not just the one you are reading. Presently, Commonwear offers PDF and Kindle. Other digital format will be added based on interest and openness of the format. Okay, let me zoom back. I think this is enough. What is new in this book? For those of you who have a Wear subscription or otherwise you have been keeping up with this book, here is what is new in this version. This batch example were tweaked tweaked to use an IDK instead of Twitter due to the latest change in authentication systems. About the further reading section, each section has each tutorial has at the end a section named further reading. Here we list places to go learn more about the theory behind techniques illustrated in the preceding tutorial. Okay. Errata and book bug bounty. Book book updated on as frequently as common wears have bugs, flaws, errors, even the an occasional gauge gaffe. Just to keep things interesting, you will find a list of the known bugs on the errata page on the commonwear website. But the probably even more problem if you find one. Please let us know. There is another note: source code license, Creative Commons and 4 to free guarantee, etc. Life cycle of Common Warfare book. Okay, roster of tutorials. So this consists of the points roster of tutorials and the end here. The main book starts from introductory tutorial. We will cover this topic in the next video. If you want this book, let me know. I will provide you this book and the link in the comment section, or otherwise I will send you through email or other things. Thank you for the watching the video.